Hello guys! In this video, I will tell you how to connect Gemini AI with Google Workspace apps. So, let's start the video. First, open the official Google Gemini website. Once you're on the Google Gemini page, look toward the lower left corner. There, you'll find an option labeled Settings and Help. Go ahead and click on it. This section allows you to manage various settings, including how Gemini AI integrates with other apps. Within the Settings menu, you'll see an option called Connected Apps. Click on it to view a list of applications that you can link with Gemini AI. This connectivity feature enables Gemini AI to work seamlessly with your Google Apps, providing a more integrated and efficient experience. Inside the Connected Apps section, scroll through the list of available applications. You'll see options such as Google Workspace, YouTube, Maps, and more. To connect an app, simply toggle the on/off switch next to the app you want to link with Gemini AI. After selecting an app, look for the Connect button and click on it to begin the linking process. Gemini AI will then attempt to connect with the selected app and may ask you to grant certain permissions or complete authentication steps. Follow the on-screen instructions to approve these permissions and complete the setup. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.